What's up, guys? Frankstown Fabrication back with you again. Small update here. Here's where we're at. We got the hood done. Got the edge fixed. All that's ready to go. It's dry, ready to go back on. This is a panel that I had to paint. It had a mark in it. It's drying, ready to go. They chipped the door when they was putting it together right there, so I fixed that. It was right there, so that's been fixed. The fenders are over there drying. So this is still wet, as you can tell from the tape I cut up to keep people from walking through here and brushing against it. But the door's wet, and this is wet. So once those two pieces dry, tonight and tomorrow morning, probably I'll let them dry until probably about noon. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and start putting everything back together, getting the front fenders adjusted to where the door will open, and there's a nice gap between the door and the fender, and then get the hood on and get everything put back together. And then she's going to be pushed kind of to the end of the driveway. No, because he's coming to get it Friday. Tomorrow's Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I'll probably end up putting it in the garage for Thursday night to Friday morning, because I don't want it to sit out here all night and trucks and cars going by and then a nice coat of dust settle on it or whatever. So I want it to be nice and pristine for when he shows up. And there's my paint. You see what I got left in the bottom. Then, hold on. This is what I got left. That's it. It's all the paint I got left out of that whole quart right there. 2 fenders, a hood, bottom part of a door, piece there, and the hood. All that with that quart of paint, and I got I'm gonna say that's maybe an 1/8 of a cup left. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe touch up or something. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm done. Can't do no more in the garage because those 2 pieces are drying. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this hood come out. And I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Now, I did this morning, right? If you look, do you see that right there? Right there, see it? Oh, it's focusing on my hand. See the white stripes there, the white streaks right there? That's dust. Dust from out there on the road that when people drive by about 40 miles an hour, it makes a dust cloud, and then it just kind of floats in here. And then it causes this. You guys realize how hard it is to paint a car on a dirt road, especially this close? But anyway, guys, I'm done. Can't do nothing else in the garage. Gotta let all this stuff dry. So I've been working my ass off. I am going to go in and I am going to take an evening to myself. Thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps me out. That way I can make better content when you guys like it, because it goes out to more people. The YouTube algorithm says, hey, this guy liked this. Maybe you'll like it too. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Help me out. It don't cost you nothing. It's just a little click, and watch my content. All right, guys? Thanks for watching. Remember, project's ignored, never get restored. See you guys.